Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to accept Zelle payments on Citibank. So the first thing that you'll need to do is simply go and log in into your portal on citi.com. Make sure to log in into your account if you have an account, and if you don't, make sure to go and create an account. Of course, I've already made a detailed video on how to create an account if you want to check it. Otherwise, if you're using your phone, you can simply download it if you don't have it downloaded. And if you do have it downloaded, you can once you open it, you can click on sign in using the user ID or sign in using the touch ID if you enable it. I even made a video on how to enable it, or simply register for an account or create an account if you don't have an account. So now, how to accept Zelle payments on Citibank. It's very simple. All you need to do, as you can see, or how it works, once you open your account, or once you open your app, or even in the website, if you have it, as we said, or if you're logged in here to your website, you can simply, as we said, click on sign on or sign in to your account. Then just tap on send money with Zelle. If you click on send money in the website or the app, you will find Zelle option. Click on that Zelle option and begin sending or requesting money. As simple as that. That's how you accept payments using Zelle, as an example, on Citi. So you'll have to request money. We want to accept payments using with Zelle, so you'll have to request money. Now, when using example Citi mobile app or Citi online, consumers can send and receive money to and from friends and family with ineligible bank accounts in the US, and Citi small business customers, as an example, with a checking account can send and receive money with anyone enrolled in Zelle through their mobile banking app. All that is needed is their email address, US mobile number, or the QR code that they can provide and scan it, and you'll be able to send them right away. And after enrolling in Zelle and receiving money, it shows up directly in your Citi checking account without any problems. So as an example, once you open like your Zelle account, or you'll find something like that, that's for the mobile, you can click on payments. Once you click on payments, click on send Zelle. Of course, you'll have even the option to either like send or request. And of course, then you'll have to choose whoever you want to send or request to. And then you should be good to go as examples. Yeah, you can click on request here, and then you'll be able to request using, of course, the amount using like their email or mobile number or QR code that they sent you. So that's going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.